you're gambling. That's what we're doing here.
Okay, Dame, this is interesting. We're going to explore that thought deeper, but I want to give you a chance to put it in the binary:
Yeah.
investing or gambling.
I will say, I'll say gambling. If it's binary, it's gambling.
Okay, well then let's do this. Kristen, you're on DraftKings and you're betting the spread against the University of Kansas women's volleyball versus a game against Mizzou. That is called degenerate gambling. That's a 10 on the spectrum. One, in terms of investing, is fundamental analysis. What is this?
This is a strong 7.5.
Damn, she's right. What do you think?
I was going to say 6 to 7.
Okay, so at some level, we're looking at this and we're considering the question, and it goes beyond the gambling point, Kristen. It gets to why are you doing it this way, emailer? Why are you just looking at trends and vibes and hype to make investment decisions?
Yeah, that's exactly where my head goes. Is like, one, how much time are we investing in like surfing Reddit for what was that guy's name? They got
Thundernuts.
Yes.
Something like that. Yeah.
Wasn't it?
It was
No, Thunder Kitty.
Roaring
Roaring Kitty.
Yes.
Roaring Kitty.
I always miss that one.
So, how much time are we spending scouring Reddit looking for meme stocks? How much time are we spending doing these things? And to what end? Like, what do we actually stand to gain here? What have we gained in the past?
Yeah, I mean, buying individual stocks, okay. I think that's perfectly reasonable if you've got a good foundation set up. And I don't think you start with buying individual stocks unless, Pete, I know you in the past have tried to teach your kids, use an educational tool to try and make sure that they understand the ups and the downs and how markets work. But if you are a young bro, in this case, let's start with some foundational stuff. Let's build up some good savings habits. Let's make some good picks with broad allocation, mutual funds or ETFs. And then you can start diving into some of these other individual things that you want to maybe overweight or you just like to chase, or maybe you get really good at technical analysis and you want to try and do some short-term stuff and lose money more times than you make it. That could be a really interesting hobby for yourself as well.
Do you guys remember when you first had like a alcoholic beverage? You drank it and it tasted awful.
Yeah.
And